Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on Rapid TV. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will find here Rapid TV. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter the storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe. See you next time and thank you.